guys, it's our second day here in Sapporo, and we have a tour today. We're going to
7:30.
we're going to the zoo and snowmobile. So we're now going to, it's 6:30. We woke up early because 7:30 yung meet up.
6:40 already. Think so.
So we're going to Odori Park, Odori Station,
The meetup.
and then the meetup is at exit 31. So we just had our breakfast in the room.
7-Eleven sandwiches, guys.
We missed the breakfast in the hotel. And then it will be a 2-hour ride, I think. So the train's here. This is the train station nearest our hotel. Train station nearest our hotel is Nakajima
Con
Station. Yeah, it's Friday today.
But tomorrow it might rain.
Yeah, tomorrow may forecast of rain. I think we also need to buy spikes for our shoes because this morning super slippery siya. Hirap maglakad. So guys, we're now at Odori Station. So ito yung ano niya, station. Makikita nyo in the middle, nandiyan yung iba-ibang stops. It's on top. So we're going to exit 31. So straight lang. Madali lang siya hanapin. Medyo mahaba pa lang lakad to. We are parallel under the Odori Park. So ito yung underground walk area. May McDo, may mga konbini sa ilalim.
Hey, look, what's that?
So if you have, ay, ang cute. No, lovebirds. So cute. This is underground. Ang cute. It's like our lovebird in the house. Andito tayo sa zoo. Ang cute. The little bird square. Ang galing. Meron
Ganyan lang sa bahay
lovebird.
natin, no?
Ganyan kalaki, no? Meron lang kami dalawang ganyan sa bahay. Pagawa tayo ng ganito. Aviary. Ang ganda. Partner siguro sila. Kasi yung sa amin, sa bahay, kapulot kami ng isa sa garden. So yung lumipad. Ay lumipad sa garden. So we kept it. So tatlo na sila sa cage. And then nagpakamatay yung isa. Nagselos. They've been with us for 6 years. So kailangan talaga pairs. Oh, we found exit 31. There it is. So guys, dito na kami sa taas ng exit 31. And madami palang tao. So it's near the TV tower. It's just right outside. Ang bus wala pa daw. So it's in front of the Kanamoto Hall. Theater ba to, Aya?
I don't know. I think like a show.
You don't know. Ta-da! So there's our guide. So we'll get back to you later. Hi guys, so nandito na kami sa bus. It's now 8:05. Medyo late umalis kasi maraming late. But supposed to be meeting time is 7:30. So dito kami nilagay sa pinakalikod. May seating arrangement pala. Kasi 5 daw kami. So we're seated together. Oh, may sumakay pa. Oh, may sumakay pa. Ayan, may sumakay pa. Here's what's the outside looks like. It's snowy. It's okay na. So today we're going to the Asahiyama Zoo.
Yeah.
And then after that, snowmobile. And then to the Christmas tree. I don't know. Parang nakita ko, parang ano siya, single tree in the middle of the park. And then another is the night village. It's owned by Prince Hotel. So it's gonna take us 2 hours going there to Asahiyama. And see you later.
I want to talk. I
Hello everybody in the world. My name is Fikir and Nabila Nato. And today we're gonna go to the zoo.
Sabi, there's a penguin walk. Hopefully, we'll be able to see the penguin walk. Depends on traffic. Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Arashiyama Zoo. So we arrive around 10:30. And our pickup time is 12. So today is negative, ano yung nakalagay? -2. Pero not,
-4.
ayan. This is the zoo. Parang when you enter, may stairs. Bababa. So first, syempre, we had to go to this toilet. Medyo mahaba yung biyahe going here. It took us 2 hours. Ayan. May stairs going down. And then here are the animals. Hoy, where's Daddy and Raquel? Down? Oh, are they going to the penguin? Oh yeah, because may penguin walk is 11. Sige, punta daw tayo sa penguin, guys. Kasi 11 and 2 p.m. 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. are the penguin walks. So good thing umabot tayo sa 11 because usually daw it happens often that they don't make it to the 11 o'clock due to traffic. But now, today, traffic is not so bad. Doon lang sa May City, sa Sapporo, medyo traffic. But when you got to the highway, okay na. Dire-diretso. Is this the penguin enclosure?
They're already turning.
Capybara? Ayan. We bought spikes din. Because we needed a little spike on our shoes because medyo slippery talaga.
That's spider monkey.
Ano yan? Where's the mic? San? Chimpanzee Museum. Where's Daddy and Raquel? Oh, they went there on the other side. Okay, let's follow them. Ay, you want? Akin na. Give it to me. Akin na, ya. Ayun na sila. Akin na rin.
I think it's gonna.
Alang layo na nila. They went so far. They're walking so fast. Because we only have limited time here. Sabi ng boss, ng guide, sabi ng guide, when it's 12 o'clock and we're not there, they need to leave. You just follow on your own. So dapat on time. Good thing we bought spikes. Because madulas talaga. If regular shoes, it's really hard to walk here. So you really need to invest in good shoes or buy spikes. Ayan na guys, the penguin walk. They are walking so slowly. They're taking their time, looking around.
Look, it's happy.
Oh, it's happy. Wait, look to see other people, lots of people.
Is that all the penguins here?
Ewan ko if that's
Or are
all there is.
batches?
Baka hindi trained yung iba. They don't know how to walk properly. There's a polar bear. Lakad lang siya ng lakad. Kawawa naman. Stress. Lakad lang siya ng lakad. Bored siya. Parang ganyan din yung nasa Singapore. Ikot lang ng ikot. Hello, polar bear. Did you see it, Ria?
Yeah.
Lakad lang siya ng lakad. Parang stress siya. So guys, we tried to eat lunch. But super haba ng pila. And we're going to leave at 12. So by the time we get the food, baka 12 o'clock na. It's now 11:30. So, yun lang yung downside. Parang hindi nag-allocate ng lunch time. So, when you go on this tour, better bring lots of food. Especially if you have kids. Mga bread. Kinukutuhan niya yung baby niya. Yung tatay nakadikit sa likod. Mukhang nagpaparamdam. Makakalabit. So guys, may small shop here near the exit, I think. May food na binibenta. And walang tao. So timing, we're hungry. So we're just gonna buy may fried chicken, mga small portion, which you can eat on the go. And then rice topping, and then we bought fried chicken and takoyaki. And then what did you buy? Shop. Shop yan sa loob. Oh, I'm just gonna look around the shop. My hair is gulo. Where's your hair, no? So guys, they have a small gift shop. Yan yung mga mabibili. This is where Esther bought a magnet. Ito may mga miss. May mga cookies. Animal themed cookies. Same lang siguro ang lasa niyan. Very cute. Ayan. Cookies. Puro animal theme. Animal prints. Candies. Popcorn. Biscuit. Mga cookie. And then shirts.
Patanggal.
Guys, nandito na kami sa snowmobile area. So there, dinidemo kung paano. This the brake.
Slowly. Brake, okay? Also slowly. Don't do very quick. 左手边是刹车，刹车。
Raizo, the brake is slowly daw.
I can't see.
You should listen.
I can't see it though.
You should listen. Ito yung snowmobile area.
One by one, not at the same time go. Okay, otherwise the car cannot move.
So we will choose the double. We got the double.
The single is not pickup.
How will we know ours? Rachel, you need to hold Papa's waist.
What the? Raquel's in front.
Lakad tayo. Choose our snowmobile. Masyadong mausok. Stop ka.
So now we're in the I see Aya.
That's the instruction. You should not overtake the in front of you. Asan yung natin? Ito ba? 79? Maganda yung sa inyo kasi may sandalan si Rachel. How was it, Rachel? Good. You like it? Maganda yung sa inyo may sandalan. Yan, Snow Angel! Asan na si Rachel? Si Rachel? Tapos na? Tagal naman.
It's so deep.
Ay, it's so deep. Snow Angel! Lumubog ka na. Tagal pa. There's no preparing. Are you okay? So we're back, guys. Ayan. Dito na tayo. We need to cross. Come on, cross. Sorry. You need to eat na because you cannot eat daw in the bus.
It's so good.
Harap? Harap. Harap ang ice cream, guys. Hindi tayo pwede pumasok sa shop kung may ice cream. Dito lang tayo sa labas. So guys, ito daw yung Christmas tree. Ayan. It's part of the tour. Okay, I'll take your picture.
Take a picture with my.
No. Yeah, take a picture of you. Wait ha.
Babe.
What? Selfie na lang daw. Lika na, Ria.
Car, mama.
So here's our last stop, guys. It's Surano? Furano. It's here beside Prince Hotel. So people go here to ski and then snowboarding. And then may Ningle Terrace dun sa side. Pero hindi na namin pinuntahan. Kasi binigyan lang kami ng small time to go around. Medyo malayo yung walk. Ayan. So Rhea is just playing with snow. And Raquel is sleeping in the bus with Rizzo. Sobrang yung tour, the place. It's super fast. Just a quick look around. Maybe next time, if you plan to go here and get a tour, maybe we can go overnight here or separate tour for the zoo and separate tour for the snowmobile to give you so that the tour will give you more time. Ito kasi 1.5 hour in the zoo, 40 minutes in the snowmobile, and then konting tingin doon sa Christmas tree. I think 5 minutes lang yata. And then dito is around 40 minutes. Hi guys! So we just got out of the bus and it's now 8 o'clock. Sobrang haba ng biyahe. So ang medyo closing na since it's 8 o'clock. Restaurants close at 9. So last order na to. Buti nakahabol kami. We're eating curry. Ito na lang yung naiwan na bukas. Kasi yung last na pinilahan namin tonkatsu sana close na. Guys, 9 o'clock na. And open pa. There are some stations that's already closed. Ito, Doris. Hindi kami dito bumaba kanina. So this is kanina 2 stops. No, pero yung line kanina 2 stops. Ngayon 1 stop lang. Going to Susukino. From Odori to Susukino. Going to Quintessa. It's just one stop. So, ayan. Sinutan namin ulit yung spike ni Raquel because we're walking on ice. We're walking from the Susukino station. It's 10 minutes away from our hotel.